Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy SPX options in E-Trade. First thing I want you to do is log into your E-Trade account. And then here at the top right, you can actually just search up, okay, for the specific SPX option. For example, we can do this one, right? What you want to do is come here, hit buy, and then once the action is set at buy, the symbol is right there. You just enter your investment amount, okay, enter that right there. So let's do 10 and estimated total cost. So the price, this order will be priced as the close of the next business day. Okay. And you just review the details, right? And then hit preview right here. So you can go ahead and review the details. So once you hit preview, then what I want you to do once you're happy with it, okay, for example, this one, you just hit place order. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.